guys, I'm back again because I got a very overpowered machine. And I'm feeling lucky with my new overpowered rocket. So I just want to share some footage with you. Footage of me destroying people on cats. Oh. That guy also had one of the overpowered rockets. Beat me with it. Yay! Oh no. Okay. Back to the video, Seth. Sorry. What? This guy dead. Not too hard. Okay, this guy looks hard. In this game, you might want some range attacks so you can get hits before they even come close, which is wise. Dad's opened up Clash Royale.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is. It's too loud. Thank you, Dad, for closing the windows. They couldn't hear us, probably. I'm gonna do a championship battle. First person barely beats me. Run, run, run! Stay up here. It should be safe up there. I hope. No! Why did you have to swing my face cam around? Okay, really just, if you're gonna play the game, might as well make a working good machine. Well, that's it. No. Okay, I'll tap to bet. Okay. Well, I'll see you later. And I hope you have a good day. Don't forget to like. Hit this. Okay, it's Dad's turn saying it.
And hit the bell.
And subscribe because we couldn't hear you.
Oh.
Really.